red record. We can swivel it back and forth. Okay. And you can see the different guns coming out.
I think we're going to need that down.
Okay.
On the other end. Right
and then you hit it.
Okay.
Eyes and ears. Okay. Go ahead and load the gun. Yeah, that was right. The bolts go forward. There. That's good. Turn sideways.
Watch where his hand is, Bill.
Yeah, I will. I'll tell him everything. No, you're good. Go ahead. Okay.
Finger off the trigger.
Yeah. The best way to do it is just put your finger pointing this way.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now, the barrel is inside this. You're not going to burn your hand. There you just messed up. So you want to put it here and you want to clinch it like this. So you're out of the way of the sight radius. You want to bring this gun down. Roll it down. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, now you got to look through that hole. Bring the gun up to you. There you go. It's not going to hurt you. That's fine. Okay. See that red can down there? Pick a one. Yeah, that's fine. Pick a red one. Now I want you to take your thumb and push that forward. Take your thumb, push this lever forward. Push it. There you go. That's single shot. I just want you to pull off one or two. Get used to the recoil. Okay, relax. That's not a hard-hitting gun. Suck it in tight to your shoulder. Pull it in tight a little bit. Now go ahead. You don't have to muscle it. Just pull it in tight. Okay, go ahead. Wow. Okay. Now, we're going to roll it forward. Relax. Now, as soon as you feel the gun recoil, you're going to let go of the trigger. Okay? As soon as you feel it push against you, just let go of the trigger.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, go ahead. Start killing stuff.
Keep going? Okay.
That was all of it. Okay. I want you to shoot more down into the dirt next time. You're empty.
Where was I at? Where was I shooting?
Well, now slap it down. Don't do it.
This right.
Slap it that way. There you go.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right. Now put it on E. Take your thumb, roll it down to E. Okay. Put it once again up here. Bring the gun to you so you can look through that hand.
Okay.
Turn sideways. Okay. See. Now what you want to do is you want to create a nice loop of a light around this, but put that on your target. And pick a tin can or something down there. Okay, I want you to shoot semi-automatic. Now, take your hand and put it right here. Yeah, that's good. You're fine. Lean into it a little bit. There you go. Go ahead. Okay, you're still jumping. Just relax. Just, you know, you're going to be doing this all day.
Okay.
So. Okay, one more. You hitting anything?
Yeah, I hit the first shot. I hit the 2 liters.
Okay, go ahead and roll it down to to full automatic. Now what I want you to do is I want you to try to shoot 3 or 4 bullets and then let go. Just boom, let go. Trigger control.
Okay.
Okay, one more. There you go. See how it rises?
Yeah.
That's why you only want to shoot 2 or 3.
Okay.
Doing good?
Yippee-ki-yay.
Mother.
Let's go high. Got it again.
Keep going. Okay, you're out.
Mm-hmm.
Push that paddle in. Okay. So that's why, so I can take the pistol grip from this, put it on that. So when you're a logistics person, instead of having a Dell an HP, a bunch of different things that take a bunch of different parts to have, you know. Anyway,
That's good.
so this is the same round that the boys are shooting over in Iraq and Iran. This is the 5.56, or also known as the 223.
Phil, don't forget this one.
Oh, and this is full automatic, class 3. Okay, so once again, it's on safe. Pick up the gun, load the gun. Once again, slap it down. Don't be nice. Okay, now we're going to roll semi-automatic because you haven't shot this round before. There you go. Got a little bit more kick. Don't worry about it. It's not going to hurt you. So, go ahead.
Couple shots, right?
1 or 2.
One,
Just
two.
get used to the recoil. Okay, now, what you're doing is you're not holding up against your chest. Hold up against your chest. Okay? Lean into the gun a little bit. Step back. Step back. There. Lean into it. Okay? One more time. Okay, go ahead and take the gun and roll it into full automatic. Okay, now 3 shots. Up, up, up. Not. There you go. Get it in that shoulder pocket.
Okay. Now I
Okay,
know.
go ahead. Pick a target.
Try for that wood piece.
Okay, it has a little bit more pump, so you got to lean in with your upper body a little bit more, so it doesn't push you around. You hold it on target. Okay, one more time. See, as the bullets get stronger, bullet trigger control becomes more important.
Right.
It'll lift you up off the target.
Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead, keep shooting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and pull this back and lock. Okay, so once again, take your finger off the trigger. Put this in. Now this gun you have to take your hand off and pull that back. Yeah, we already loaded it once. Okay, that's fine. You did fine. Now, if that's too long, we could adjust the length. Try that. Is that a little better?
Yeah, actually it is.
All right. I want you to pick the first clay pigeon,
Yeah, you
put
gotta
the
pull
center
it back.
red dot on it, and go ahead and pull the
Yeah.
trigger.
There you go. There you go.
Nailed that one. Okay. Go ahead. Just shoot at the same one. Until it blows up.
I didn't get it.
Sideways.
Oh, it's still in.
This is the SIG 556. It's a very nice, well-made gun. Okay, get the next one. Okay, you want to get this back in your pocket again. You want to get it right up against your cheek.
It? I want?
Lean into it. There you go. Don't
You
let
know
it-
where the safest place on the range is right now,
Oh,
Bill?
in front of it.
Yeah, out there where all them real orange dots are.
Did you hit it?
Keep your finger off the trigger when it comes off your shoulder.
Right. Okay. It's getting heavy.
It's an all-day sucker. That magazine just does. If you're done, just say
Yeah,
you're
if you're
done.
done, just say it.
Okay, whoa. Now what you gotta do is since you have a live gun, go ahead, take this finger, push that button.
I'm sorry. I'm
No
sorry.
problem.
I didn't-
Now what I want you to do is go ahead and pull this back. There you go. Now it's safe. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off.
Let me show you something.
I got it.
Okay.
Get where you are. You want to do
Bullet as the other two guns. Okay? This loads like an AK. The others have been
So it can
up
be
to now
done.
just been pushing. This one rolls in. See that? You take this, put it on that shelf, and you roll it into place
okay.
till it latches, okay?
Okay.
Are you recording? Okay. So go ahead and pick up the gun with your control hand.
almost? Yeah, all right. So
Yeah.
what do we
Pick
just
up
talk
the
about?
magazine.
Hey,
Yeah.
don't lay the gun down like that. Keep it up in your hands.
Roll it into place, put that lip
While
in
you're
there.
holding it.
Okay, there you go. Now with this, you can either reach across or with this hand, either one, cock it. That's it.
Yeah.
So from now on though, let it go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Pull it back
okay.
and
Don't
just
push
let
it
it
back.
go. Don't
Okay.
help it in.
Okay.
Same thing, bring it up to you, not you to it. Lean forward.
Well, that's why his hands are going all over the place.
Gotta
Yeah.
suck it in tighter. You don't want that butt
Yeah.
stock to wiggle.
It's a gun, you know, you can flap it around a little bit.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, go for the next
Yeah,
one.
I like this one better.
You know, I was born left-handed. I learned to shoot right-handed because that's how I was shown. Otherwise, you'll spend a lifetime with guns and all that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Lean forward. If it's getting heavy, let me know.
It is.
All right.
Heavy. Oh, wait, hold on.
So let's go ahead and save the gun. Grab the magazine with this hand. Reach up with the flapper. Rotate it out. Okay? Reach up with this hand. Pull that back. Okay, gun is safe. Go ahead, set it down.
Okay. Let me take a second.
Yeah. Recording. Once again, it rolls in. It locks in just like the Galileo. It rolls into place under this little ledge, okay? This is a Yugoslavian AK-47. It's particular heavy duty. They made them that way. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to pick up the gun. Okay? Load it by rolling it in. Find the ledge. That's fine. Now, take it, cock it back. Yeah, ready to fire. Now this is going to have a little bit more pump to it. Okay. 14-year-old boy, shoot this thing down. Get it up against your shoulder. It
Yeah.
will hurt you.
The trigger's a little softer. Yeah, I like this one.
Got that pretty dialed in there.
Yeah. Okay. Now, yep. Take the flapper, rotate it. You still recording? Go ahead. Yeah, pulling on the trigger, controlling the gun. Rotate it. Right. It's a little lighter. Yeah, sometimes it's tough. There you go.
Okay.
Got it. That. This is what the Russians are using today.
That ain't
That's it. Okay.
okay. Still good?
Still good. You ready to roll? Tie it up against your shoulder.
Background, was it?
Get it in the pocket. Getting tired?
A little bit, yeah.
Well, kill the recording. Okay. Well, the next one there's only 2 of, so.
You can't have a soft touch with these things, man. Whoa. Pull that back. Don't get your meat of your hand near that. Okay, you ready?
We're going to shoot about 5 rounds of this because I got to declip everything. All right.
Trigger's kind of hard.
It's the same bullet as the...
Holders are attachable.
Yeah.
Okay, you got it.
It's
You can have it
what they call
pointed
self-disintegrating.
down range like that.
And we'll shoot that one in a second here. Hold on.
Kind of cool, huh?
And when you fire these in the gun that can take the belt, do these things stay together?
No, you separate
Just like that, right? Oh, okay.
Peel off.
And then you'd have to go back and put them together later. Or I guess you don't need to, do you?
What?
But if you were
Those
the
you
service,
put
you okay.
Where's the mag for this gun? I just had it. Yep. Okay, this is the FNFAL. This is the South African one. Like I said, this gun's been sold all over the world.
Maybe out.
It's basically the standard FNFAL. It has a grenade launcher on the front, which makes it distinctive. But it's okay, I'm sorry. Pick up the gun. Move your control hand. Wrap your thumb around it. Okay, now.
Heavy in front.
Take it, roll it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to pull down that hook. Pull it down. Pull it down. Gotta be manly. Cowboy up. There you go.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
You wanna try this
Now,
one out this time?
You recording? Okay, go ahead, put it to your, this one kick. Lean in, lean into it hard. Okay, go ahead. Semi-automatic, it can't get full.
I did it. I hit it.
Rapid fire.
You're empty.
Okay.
You know what, Bill?
What?
I think they ought to start the draft up because he looks good with this.
Same way.
This thing.
Recording.
If you fire, you have to
Okay?
pull back on this.
So what you can do is you can rotate, you pull that forward, and you can see it pushes on the trigger here.
Oh, okay.
Nothing in
You
it.
can rotate back and
It'll
forth.
be Like that.
Okay? And it's going to go nuts. It shoots 1,000 rounds a minute. Okay?
Okay.
So, just control it here, put it here. You can empty the belt, or you can shoot it one at a time if you want.
Probably try
Doesn't
one
matter
at a
to me.
time first. You know.
Really rock it. Okay, you gotta
You won't
get
feel
this.
any kick. There's no
Oh, okay.
kick. It's a crew served weapon.
Okay. You gotta
Okay.
shoot it. Okay, the racket, grab that thing, dude. You know, wham it like you're gonna slam somebody in the head. It's good, you know, you don't abuse them, but you gotta shoot them like a man, you know? You yank back on them. You won't hurt them. But they're like, see, you got a jam.
Oh, I know this.
you gotta see how I did it real quick and put some up at that. No.
Give me a second. Let me get it going.
Good. See, that's what it likes. It wants to be treated rough.
You should be ready to go.
It likes to be slapped around.
William, you feel me? Go ahead.
Okay, but still, even though you can see
Push it
that,
forward.
it's flat.